Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to pick a good product. Go to ClickBank, start your ClickBank account. Once you get your sign in, log in and go to up to the top, Marketplace. Click on Marketplace. It'll bring you here. These are several items that you can sell from. Arts and entertainment, if you're into that. Let's go back, piano for I'm not into that. I'm into internet marketing, make money from home. So I go to e-business and e-marketing. And we're going to sort by popularity right here. The 100K shout out. Let's take a look at it. Okay, as you can see here, the vendor requires affiliate to be pre-approved before being eligible to earn commissions promoting their site. Well, we don't want to do that. We don't care about him. We go down to the number 2 guy. This guy is hot. John Cristani. He's the number 1 or number 2 guy in ClickBank. He has awesome product. So if we want to promote his product, let's see what he got first. This is his funnel. He's advertising this funnel, a free training, how to earn a 6-figure side income online. A free training series reveal everything step by step. So that's what he's selling. Okay, let's go back and let's go to his affiliate page. Okay, he has a lot. He has a video here explaining how to use his stuff. He got free traffic method swipes, JV email promotes, ask product backends, Facebook ads, YouTube ads. Click to get JVT updates. There's a lot of information in here. The top marketers promote us. These are some of the top guys in the industry. I think we all heard about Anthony Morrison, Devin Michaels. I know a couple of these guys myself. Ty Cohen. So he has a fascinating program, and it's 50. I think this product sells for $1,000, and you get 50% commission. This is the top selling biz out product on ClickBank. $9.99 plus $249 a month at 50%. 15% plus CRs on live products. 17+% on back end. Now, when you get into this program, if you decide to get into this program, come right up here and put your ClickBank ID in, and they will help promote this product for you. Okay, and this link is cookie to you. Okay. So let's go back and see how we get our tracking link. Promotion link. We go down here, we hit promote. Okay, in this one, there's no qualifications to get in. All you need to come down here is come here to generate hop links. Copy this link and put this in your notepad. That's your link. That's your affiliate link. Let me show you. I'm going to click here. I'm going to go to, and we're going to let you see what it look like. Okay. This is what you're going to advertise. Sign up for free training, and once they sign up for free training, they'll fill in this and register now, and they're in. So That's how you find a good product in ClickBank. ClickBank. It's awesome. It's a great program. I'll leave the links to this in the descriptions below. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to get this promotion link. Take this link and put it inside of a landing page. Stay tuned. I'm going to show you how to get that done. And once again, I will leave the promotion, the tracking links in the descriptions below. Larry out.